All right. Here is our exit ticket, not our I can statement, all right? Keep jumping the gun on that. Anyways, here's our what we did yesterday. It's our I can statement. I'm going to read this part to you, kind of get you started a little bit, and then let you go. Draw two different area models to represent 1/4 by shading, okay? Decompose the shaded fraction into eighths and twelfths. Use multiplication to show how each fraction is equivalent to 1/4. Now, yesterday, we did this right at the end of the lesson. And we did it with 1/3, if you remember. Remember we drew off these 1/3 all the way down? And then we split them into sixths, ninths, and twelfths. Okay, we multiplied by that. Today, you're gonna do the same exact thing right here. You're gonna draw two 1/4 models, okay? One here and here. And then you're going to transfer this top one into eighths and this bottom one into twelfths, okay? So you're gonna have about 5 minutes to do this, and do your best. So draw two models of 1/4 and then change the 1/4 on the top to eighths and the 1/4 on the bottom to twelfths, okay? All right, give it a shot. We'll get a teacher's pause now. All right, that is your 5 minutes. So let's see how you did. Hopefully that you got someplace on this, and if you got stuck or hung up, it's okay. Because today's objective is going to be the same exact thing as we did yesterday, right? So we get to really know what we're doing here. So, all right, here's what we did first. Let me zoom in on it. The first thing I did was draw a model and just showed 1/4, all right? I just drew this box. I drew down 3 cuts here, shaded in 1/4. Then I needed to change it to eighths. So what I knew I needed to do was I needed to make a row of 2 rows of 4 here. So I used 1 cut here to make 2 rows, because I know 2 times 4 is 8. And whatever I do to the denominator, I need to do the top. So I just the numerator. So I just multiplied by 2, got 2 eighths. There it is. Down here at the bottom, same deal. I drew my 1/4 rectangle. Then I realized I needed to get to 12. And I asked myself, well, what times 4 is 12? And the answer was 3. So I needed to make 3 rows here. See that? 1, 2, 3 rows. That helps me make 12 in the array of 12. So then it ends up with twelfths, and then 3 of them are shaded in, right? So it went from 1 to 3. Multiplied both the top and the bottom by 3, and I have it, okay? So hopefully you got something close to that or near it, and hopefully this rings a bell going over it. Okay, so now we'll be right back with our I can statement.